Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to gap your spark plugs with this spark plug gap tool. You would use this if you buy the ones that aren't pre-gapped. So on this particular tool you have 20 thousandths of an inch all the way to 1/10 of an inch, and if you flip it over to the millimeter side you have 0.5 millimeters all the way up to 2.5 millimeters. So you'll see it gradually gets wider as you go along. So what you're going to do to find out what gap you have is you're going to slide it along from the small side up. So that's about 71 thousandths of an inch right now. Then you're going to go to your owner's manual and you're going to find out what gap you need. If you need a smaller gap than what you have, then you're going to take this rectangle piece and you're going to place the tip of the spark plug on it, and you're going to push till you feel it bend. You want to push hard enough, but not too hard that you're going to break it. And be careful not to break the porcelain if you're holding on to that. So then you're going to go again, spin around. Now you're at about 65 thousandths of an inch, so if that's what you need, then you're good. If you still need to go smaller, keep on pushing. Now, if you need to go to a larger gap, you're going to use this hole right here, and you're going to place the tip of it through, and you're going to use it like a bottle opener and just pull. This will take a lot less effort than closing the gap. And then you do the same thing, slide along, and now we've gone all the way up to about 86 thousandths of an inch. Now I'll throw a link to this on Amazon in the description, and that's all there really is to it. Fairly simple. So hopefully this will help you in your spark plug change, and please like and subscribe.